stop. Right here. I know what you're thinking. Another video, another scroll. But what if this moment wasn't random? What if right now, you're here by divine appointment? When was the last time you heard truth so bold it shook you awake? Welcome to Bible-Based Benefits. This isn't just a channel. It's a global movement, a storytelling revolution, a digital sanctuary where ancient wisdom burns brighter than ever. For too long, we've let the world water down what matters most. Stories of hope and power edited out or forgotten, but not anymore. Here, I'm reviving it all, bringing every lost page, every hidden story back to life. With fire, with beauty, with cinematic power that grabs your soul and won't let go. You're about to experience the Bible like never before. From Genesis to Revelation, Book of Enoch, Book of Life. I'm piecing together what the world tried to scatter. Think about it. What does Jesus feeding 5,000 say about abundance? How does Moses parting the sea mirror your own breakthroughs? What if David's fight with Goliath is really about conquering anxiety and fear, the giants in your mind? Even Joseph's darkest setbacks were setups for glory. Those books they tried to erase still whisper truths that darkness can't silence. This isn't about religion. It's about reviving the roots of humanity, light, rhythm, science, parables, prophecy, woven together to heal hearts, restore faith, and unlock your true purpose. So are you ready? Ready to step into the arc of divine media, to join a last-day revolution in storytelling? Hit subscribe, listen close, share this spark, because together we can awaken the world, one soul at a time. Bible-based benefits, where faith becomes unstoppable.